Hey there, fellow pet lovers. Are you tired of spending hours grooming your furry friends? Look no further. We've got just the thing for you, the 3-in-1 electric cat and dog steam brush with spray for grooming, massage, and hair removal. This handy tool is perfect for those busy days when you don't have time to give your pets a full grooming session. With its 3 functions, you can easily brush, massage, and even remove hair from your pet's coat. So, what are you waiting for? Order now and make grooming your pets a breeze. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more amazing pet products and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy grooming.